Hello friends, I am BM. In this video I am going to show you how to fix Windows search open delay problem. Okay, now you see I am click on search but not shown here any search option or application. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to fix this issue. Okay, first you leave this screen. Okay, now press Control plus Shift plus Escape key for open Task Manager. Okay, now you see Task Manager is open. Now search here, search, right click on search, click on end task. Okay, after this close Task Manager and press Windows plus R key for open run command. Type here services.msc, hit enter. Here click on this Windows search. Now you see here automatic delay, change this automatic. Okay, after this click on recovery, check here, leave this same. Now stop service and run again. After this close the services. Now click on search, search. Now you see search is open fast. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.